Step inside a world of extreme precision, where traditional craftsmanship meets the pinnacle of modern industrial fashion. Precision is everything in this facility, as every single degree of temperature is monitored by advanced computers. This incredible operation manages thousands of raw materials in a highly regulated environment designed for optimal quality.
Automated systems manage the initial sorting process, ensuring consistent quality across the entire large-scale production line.
Experience the future of specialized manufacturing by hitting the subscribe button to see more unique industrial processes. Quality control starts at the microscopic level, where experts ensure the highest safety standards for the global.
Every piece of equipment undergoes rigorous sterilization to maintain a germ-free environment within this specialized industrial facility.
Logistics are handled with surgical precision to minimize stress and maximize the overall efficiency of the workflow. Demand for these unique luxury items is rising globally, making this high-tech factory a vital international player. Human expertise and advanced robotics work in perfect harmony to execute a process.
The tanning process is a complex chemical transformation that ensures the durability and softness of the material.
Precise mechanical tension is applied to every piece to maintain the natural elasticity required for high-end garments. Airflow and humidity are strictly controlled during the drying phase to prevent any damage to the fibers.
Computerized laser cutting allows for zero-waste production and incredible accuracy in the creation of complex fashion designs.
Expert seamstresses perform the final assembly by hand, ensuring that every stitch meets the rigorous luxury standards. The finishing process involves careful grooming to ensure the natural luster and volume of the luxurious material.
Every single piece is inspected for symmetry and finish before it is cleared for the final packaging.
Presentation is the final step, where the product is prepared to meet the highest expectations of retailers.
Maintaining the correct chemical balance is essential for the longevity and safety of the final fashion product.
Environmental sustainability is integrated into the factory through advanced wastewater treatment and modern recycling systems here. Color consistency is guaranteed by accurate weighing of pigments, followed by computerized mixing of the dye solutions. The dyeing process uses specialized software to match exact seasonal colors required by the global fashion houses. Every incoming piece is evaluated for density and color to ensure the highest grade of luxury material.
Multi-stage washing removes all impurities, ensuring the material is perfectly clean before entering the tanning drums today.
Digital design tools allow for precise pattern mapping and virtualization of the final product before any cutting. Detail is the hallmark of luxury, as every single stitch is scrutinized by a master quality controller. Heavy-duty sewing technology is required to penetrate the thick layers while maintaining a delicate and refined. The journey from factory to the high-end boutiques of Paris and New York begins right here today.
Long-term research into fiber quality ensures that the facility stays at the forefront of textile innovation.
Efficiency and quality metrics are tracked in real time to ensure the factory operates at peak performance. Grooming is an art form that brings out the maximum volume and texture of the luxury material.
Conditioning the leather backing ensures the garment remains supple and comfortable for the wearer over many years.
Controlled steaming is used to set the shape of the garment and enhance the natural fiber flow. Durability testing ensures that every component of the garment can withstand the rigors of daily high-fashion wear. The choice of lining is critical for the internal comfort and the overall luxury feel of the wearer.
Holographic tags protect the brand's integrity and allow customers to verify the authenticity of their premium purchase.
A final thorough cleaning ensures the garment is in pristine condition before it enters the packaging area. Heat recovery from the tanning process is used to warm the facility, reducing overall carbon emissions significantly. Collaboration is key during the prototyping phase to solve technical challenges before the full-scale production begins.
Regular maintenance of sensors ensures the automated systems continue to categorize materials with a very high accuracy.
Color matching is a delicate skill that requires a trained eye and a deep understanding of fibers. Recovering and reusing chemicals minimizes the factory's environmental impact and lowers the overall cost of production. Pressing the lining is the final touch that ensures the garment hangs perfectly on the final wearer. Providing a comfortable environment for employees is part of the factory's commitment to social and corporate responsibility. Robotic dyeing provides a level of precision and efficiency that far surpasses traditional manual hand dyeing methods used. International certifications testify to the factory's adherence to the highest global standards of quality and ethical manufacturing. Every detail, from the zipper to the button, must be of the highest quality for luxury fashion.
Constant innovation in design keeps the factory at the forefront of the ever-changing global fashion trends.
This high-tech fortress of fashion operates 24 hours a day to meet the world's appetite for luxury. The final result is a masterpiece of craftsmanship and technology ready for the world's most elite markets.
Specialized softening agents are the secret to achieving the incredibly supple texture that defines high-end luxury fashion.
Uniformity assess. Uniformity in thickness and is Britiker and in sewing process.
Preparing the surface ensures the dye penetrates evenly, resulting in a rich and consistent color across all.
Vacuum drying allows for moisture removal at lower temperatures, preserving the natural oils and the fiber integrity.
Anti-static treatments prevent the buildup of charge, ensuring the garment feels smooth and stays perfectly in place.
Robotic embroidery allows for the execution of incredibly complex designs with a level of detail and speed. Digital color matching ensures that every garment in a collection has the exact same shade and hue. Organization of the smallest components is vital for maintaining the high speed and efficiency of the assembly. The facility generates a significant portion of its own power through a massive and highly efficient solar. Preventative maintenance of the heavy machinery is the key to preventing any costly production delays or failures. Fiber alignment is a manual task that requires patience and a gentle touch to achieve perfection today.
High-purity water is essential for preventing any mineral buildup that could affect the softness of the material.
Stress analysis allows designers to reinforce critical areas, ensuring the garment remains durable and holds its shape. Conditioning the leather is the final step in producing high-quality footwear that is both durable and comfortable. Research into eco-friendly alternatives is part of the factory's long-term commitment to the future of fashion. Keeping humidity within a narrow range is vital for preventing the growth of any unwanted biological contaminants. The interior finish of a luxury garment must be as clean and perfect as the outside appearance. Digital tracking allows the factory to monitor every garment's progress through the complex multi-stage manufacturing process today. Passing down traditional skills to the next generation is essential for maintaining the quality of the craftsmanship.
Precise temperature control is required for thermal bonding to ensure a permanent and invisible bond between the layers.
The creative expression is the starting point for every luxury garment that will eventually leave this modern facility. Minimizing waste through efficient sorting and recycling is a core part of the factory's green manufacturing philosophy. High energy efficiency is achieved through regular monitoring and maintenance of the facility's advanced thermal insulation systems. Using only the finest silk threads is mandatory for creating the durable and refined seams of luxury. The visual and tactile qualities of the finished material are the true markers of a luxury product.
This modern facility stands as a beacon of industrial innovation in the heart of the textile world.
Successful shipments are the result of months of hard work and a commitment to absolute industrial excellence.
Ethical sourcing of natural ingredients is a key pillar of the factory's commitment to the global environment.
Regular replacement of wear parts ensures the sewing machines continue to operate with a very high precision.
Lubrication is vital for the smooth operation of the robotics, ensuring long-term reliability and overall accuracy.
Rigorous chemical testing is the backbone of the factory's commitment to environmental safety and high product quality.
The massive solar array is a testament to the factory's commitment to clean and renewable industrial energy.
Innovation in chemistry allows the factory to reduce its reliance on traditional and potentially harmful industrial chemicals. Every component of the garment must be organized and ready to maintain the high speed of assembly. The final product is a symbol of status and style that travels from this factory to the circular water systems are a major part of the factory's strategy to reduce its overall water consumption. Accurate weighing is mandatory for international shipping and ensures that every customer receives the correct order today.
Every successful departure marks the end of a long and careful process of creation and industrial precision.
The future of luxury fashion is being sketched right here by the world's most talented industrial designers. Adhering to international standards is the foundation of the factory's reputation in the global luxury fashion market. Automation allows for the precise application of chemicals, ensuring a consistent and high-quality finish for every piece. This modern facility stands as a beacon of industrial innovation in the heart of the fashion world. Successful shipments are the result of months of hard work and a commitment to absolute industrial excellence.
Managing a complex global supply chain is essential for maintaining the quality and the flow of production. Regular maintenance ensures the sewing machines continue to operate with a high precision for the assembly process.
Lubrication is vital for the smooth operation of the robotics, ensuring long-term reliability and overall accuracy.
Rigorous chemical testing is the backbone of the factory's commitment to environmental safety and high product quality.
The massive solar array is a testament to the factory's commitment to clean and renewable industrial energy.
This has been an inside look at the incredible process behind the world's most luxurious fashion items.